Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I am creating face lifting makeup. This makeup techniques can completely change your face structure and very ideal for mature skin as well. This makeup you will be look 10 years than actual age and lift your face without surgery. I love this makeup, guys. So without delay or time, let's begin. So before we start the makeup, very important to do skincare or skin prep to get flawless results. First product I'm using Clinique moisturizing surge and I'm applying whole face and neck. Then secondly, I'm applying Firming Serum from Forever Living Aloe Vera. And I'm applying like a tapping way. Next, I'm applying Clinique Moisturizing Surge Spray for extra hydrating my skin. After applied, I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes. For eye, I'm applying eye serum from Clinique Roll On to reduce puffiness, black circle eyes, reduce any sensitivity, help to reduce anti-aging effects. So guys, this is an amazing product. You must try. This is amazing. Then apply lip balm to keep my lip plump and smooth. You can use any kind of lip balm. So guys, my skincare done. So I'm going to leave my skin 4 to 5 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. Next, I'm doing color correcting. Color correcting I'm using from Revolution Ultimate Radiate Peach Color Correcting. And I'm applying under my eyes for black circle eyes near my mouth where I have got uneven skin tone. And I'm using a small brush for blend out. You can use any kind of beauty sponge or clean finger for blending. Foundation I'm using from Kiko Milano Joyful Holiday, 24 hours medium to full coverage. And I'm taking 2 pumps in my hand and applying from finger dot dot methods. For blending, I'm using foundation application and blending brush. You can use damp beauty sponge for blending. Then I'm blending upward and blend out till smooth. Takes time at least 3 to 4 minutes to blend out. Next, I'm applying concealer from Maybelline Fit Me 30 shade and I'm applying inner corner and outer corner of eyes, pulling upward. And in forehead and in my chin as well for highlights. Then I'm going to let it concealer set it for a few minutes. Next, I'm applying contour. Contour I'm using from Studio London Stick. Then I'm going to apply high point of cheekbone in forehead, apply upward, jawline and nose to give sharp feature definition. Then I'm going to comb my eyebrow upward for lifting eyebrow effects. Today I'm using Soap Brow from Revolution. It's give you lifting, fuller and thicker effects. For application, I'm using spoolie and spray water in the soap brow and apply upward and leave few minutes for dry. Next, I'm blending concealer using a small beauty sponge for blending and blend out where is the eyebrow end and blend out upward. Then blend out contour upward from high cheekbone to A. For forehead, blend out upward, blend out till smooth to make sure there is no harsh lines. For jaw lines, always blending downward. For extra highlight, I'm using concealer from MORPHE, medium and natural. Then apply inner corner eyes and outer corner eyes and pulling up. Then again let it set down for a few minutes. Next I'm doing my eyebrow. Eyebrow pencil I'm using from MUA Define Micro Pencil. Then I'm going to fill spar areas upwards. Next blend out concealer, same methods upwards. Then apply loose translucent powder in under eyes before you start creasing concealer and side of nose and cheekbone for give feature definition. And apply concealer in my eyebrow to clean and sharp look and apply same concealer in my eyelid from direct applicator. And taking a small beauty blender to blend and blend out till smooth. Same translucent powder I'm going to apply. Stop to get crease concealer. And in T-zone and near nose for long lasting makeup, and I'm going to apply around the face, especially where I start to sweat. Next, I'm doing eye makeup. I'm going to use sellotape just as a guide and stick from lower eyelashes to top of my eyebrow tail. Eyeshadow palette I'm using from Revelations is called Shield, and I'm going to use all neutral colors. You can use any kind of eyeshadow or bronzer as well. So first color I'm applying very light color is called Relax, and I'm going to apply eye crease and eye bone. Second color I'm using little bit dark color is called Cool, and I'm going to apply inner corner, outer corner and in crease area, and I'm going to leave middle area and apply few times and blend out properly and make sure there is no harsh lines. Third color I'm taking dark chocolate color, it's called Burn, and again I'm going to apply outer corner and inner corner of eyes to look more intense and chocolatey smoky effects. In the middle I'm apply shimmer color, is rose gold and it's called Excel. So guys, you can see how beautiful and stunning this look. Next, I'm apply eye pencil from Revelation and apply in the waterline. Same light eyeshadow apply in lower eyelashes and smoke out. So guys, you can apply eyeliner or fake eyelashes. It's totally optional, but I'm going to leave like that. Mascara from MUA Eye Define Lengthening Mascara. Next, clean all powders around the face. So make sure you clean properly. We don't want to look very powdery. Next, apply bronzer again to give more definition and sun-kissed effects. Apply upward, end point are ear to temple. Next, apply liquid blush from KIMUSE and apply 3 dots in high point of cheekbone from where is the eye direction to temple. Then blend out upwards to make sure there is no harsh lines. And don't apply too much because this blush is super pigmentation. Today I'm doing combo lipstick. First I'm doing lip liner, and lip liner I'm using from Max Factor X025 brown and bold. Then draw lip liner to look extra fuller and big lips. Next, apply lipstick from L'Oreal Intense Volume Matte 600. Then lip gloss from Revolution. Then apply powder highlighter from Revolution. It's called Condition. Apply in the high point of cheekbone. So guys, this is my final look. Face lifting makeup, cheek makeup, eye makeup, everything lifting. Done hair style also up. So you can do face lifting makeup like that, look more younger without any surgery. Same time looking stunning, beautiful and glamorous. So I do like this makeup every time. My favorite makeup look. I love it. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes and comments. Love you all. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.